Hi, how are you? How's my new mask? So recently I bought this mask. So right now I will go outside and I'm heading towards Havra Bridge. It is in Kolkata and it is I think 10 kilometer or 12 kilometer from here. So I'll go there and try to take some cool dope shots of that bridge. I went there before also, but this time I wanna try to do something else in terms of photography. So right now I'll go and I'll catch the bus and I'll head towards the bridge. So let's go. So right now I'm waiting for the bus at the bus stand and it is too much sunny outside. See, so I'll wait till the bus will come. So right now I have reached the place and I can show you the epic beauty of this place. I have seen this place in just images. I have come to this place many times but I have never discovered this place. So I'm gonna show you the location, how it looks. First I'll show you the river, Hooghly river. Here it is. Just see. So this is the river which I showed you. Now I'll show you the place which I came for and I'll show you the Havra Bridge from this side, if you can see. Did you see how cool it is looking? So I'll take some of its pictures and after that I'll move to the other side. From there also the whole bridge will come in the one frame. So now I'll take some photos and I'll move to the other side. So right now I have reached the other side of this bridge, and I'll show you the view from this side. And the amazing sunset is going on right now, so you can see this bridge, this sunset. So from this location I'll wait till it becomes dark so that I can take long exposure shot during night time. So till then I'll take the time lapse shot, and after time lapse I'll see you in the studio where we review the photos together. So I'll meet you all in the studio. Welcome back. So you saw the location, you saw the video. So without further delay, I'll jump directly on the photos. But before that, I'll recommend you to subscribe the channel so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on photography and videography that will help you to learn something. So enough talking. Now let's jump to the photos. So here is the first photo. So now you can see a very simple photo. I got this location, I discovered this location, and I got a new perspective to see this Howrah Bridge. And I took a leading line photo of this bridge from a wide angle lens, this Sigma 16mm. So a very simple, a cloudy day and a leading line you can see with some reflection in the river. Now looking to this image, you can see same location. Try to get the upper part of the bridge and including the sky in the frame with some clouds here. So again the sun was about to set, not exactly, so the sunlight were falling directly on the bridge, and this bridge is made of metal, full of totally metal, so it was reflecting back the light of sun rays. So that's why this bridge is so much bright, looking so much bright right now. Here in this photo I try to create some creativity, so that's why I shoot this bridge with its reflection through the leaves of the tree. So yes, that defines the exact location of this bridge and where I was standing, and yes, it's creating a depth of field. Few days back I was watching a video on YouTube and I saw the location of this perspective of bridge. Then only I thought that there is some other location also to click this. So while discovering this place, I came across one more place around that area, and from there now you can see the image and you can see the landscape view of the bridge with the sky filled with the clouds and the river. A simple landscape shot with clouds. So yes, it is looking good, and because it was a sunset hour, that's why whole sky is orangish or yellowish. Now in this image you can see from the same place this small kid was jumping in the river. So he just jumped from this wall and I captured him, I freezed him in the camera, and you can see the moment is captured really well. Clouds in the sky, kid is in the action, the wall is here. So yes, now this image is totally filled with all the components and saying a story in this image also. So this image you can see it's a splash of water in the river and the clouds are in the background, and I tried to give it a kind of stormy look. The reason is it was very much cloudy, overcast weather. So sometimes it could have rained, but it didn't rain there. So that's why I tried to give it a kind of stormy look. And yes, the photo has come out really well. You can see the droplets in the sky in between the clouds also. The proper splash is there. So yes, I'm very much impressed with this photo. Talking about this photo, you can see again, I have to give it a topic, I have to give it a title, then I have to say a bridge with the splash. So yes, you can see the large splash there with the droplets that can be easily seen there, and the bridge in the side and the clouds in the background. Again, a complete frame which I liked. And the story behind this image, that kid said me that I want to jump, and you just click the splash there. It was not my idea, it was the idea of that kid. So yes, this image has come out really well. I should appreciate the idea of that kid also. In this image you can see the two kids. The lower part of the body you can see in the left, and the upper part of the body you can see in the right. Two kids were jumping in the river, and they told me that they will jump together at the same place, but they jumped at two different directions. So anyway, I clicked them in the air, and the photo has come out really well. And the background, you can see the sun was behind the clouds, but still it is creating good highlight in the image. So yes, very good frame. I liked it very much personally. When I was going from one side of the bridge to the other side, so I was supposed to go from the bridge. So while going from the bridge, I got this shot, the same sunset hour. So light was falling from the left side, and the frame came out really good because of the yellow taxi. I have to say that, because the yellow taxi was creating a contrast there, and it was all about timing. I can say that it was my luck that I was just clicking the image and the yellow taxi came in the frame. So yes, that light is increasing the contrast of this taxi. Again, from the same location, I took this image in portrait mode, and same the car was running there. So I freeze the moment, and the light was falling from the left side again because it was sunset hour. So again, enlightening the left part, and the right part was a bit dark, and I edited this image in the same way. During the video I said that I will go from other side of the bridge to get a view of the full view of this bridge. So here is this photo, you can see where I get a very good view of the bridge and the sunset there. So yes, I took it at the level of the river, at the very close. I kept my camera very close to the water so that I'll get a good reflection, and the light in the water also creating a good highlight, and the clouds were in the sky. So yes, good frame. Here is other photo from the same location. You can see I took this a long exposure shot. The sun was settled down, but still there were some lights in the sky, and I took long exposure. So here is the last image from all this what I did today whole day. So I'm very much impressed with this image, which I'm gonna show you right now. So you can see the sky has become dark. You can see the lights on the bridge reflecting the same on the river, and the opposite side of the bridge also you can see some lights were there, and same lights were reflecting in the water also. This image is tempting to the eyes more, reason being of a ship or a small boat was going from there. So I took a long exposure shot, and you can see the light trails came into the frame. You saw the main photos which I clicked today, and many more photos which I clicked looking very much similar to these images, which are a bit different from this main images. So if you want to watch, if you want to see that images, you can go and follow me on Instagram. I will upload my those images there, and you can go see the images. Here is my Instagram username. You can go and follow me, and I have put the link in the description also, so you can directly go and hit the link and follow me there also. So these all images are edited using my Lightroom preset. So I have put the link of my Lightroom preset also. You can directly go in the description, click the link, and you can grab those presets, and go grab those presets because they are on sale right now. Don't wait, just go and grab it. Now I know this video has already been too much long, so without taking your much time, I'll conclude myself right now here. So again, I will tell you, if you like the video, hit the like button and help me out by hitting subscribe. So it was a very productive and good day. Hope you saw something new, learned something new. So without further much fun, I'll see you in the next one.